I would want to steal Rekha ji's saris. Oh my God, the saris that she's been collecting, the traditional weaves. Not to wear them, but just to see them.
She said कि सितारे तो बहुत से हैं लेकिन आसमान सिर्फ एक है. Shalini, it's a huge compliment.
They are family friends of ours. Aryan have seen since he was a baby, and he wanted me to sing Mitwa. I mean, I've been offered so many ads and things to color the hair, but I feel that is something very individualistic.
Hello everyone, welcome to Bollywood Live. This is Gaurika and today I am with the women of grace and elegance. Oh my God, you set the ramp on fire. What do you have to say about it?
Thank you so much. It was wonderful to be with everybody who's so young. Their energy is amazing. All the models are so beautiful. And of course, Nikita has put her heart and soul in this collection. It is so different from her previous one. And the first question I asked her that, no prints this time, Nikita. She said, yeah, it is printed. It has the cosmos, little dots. So, but she's super talented. And you know, sometimes I think it takes a woman to know what a woman wants.
Also, can we know a little more about the outfit? Because, you know, while addressing the media, she said कि सितारे तो बहुत से हैं लेकिन आसमान सिर्फ एक है. Shalini, it's a huge compliment.
So usually, Shalini prefers little solid colors on runway, but we really wanted her to wear this as this is a galaxy print, and we were kind of looking at Shalini as a star, and everything fell so beautifully in place. Also, this particular cut is signature Shalini. I wanted her to be comfortable, and I thought what's a better stage to get her true self on the runway. So that's the reason we chose this silhouette for her, and she really did full
Nailed it, she killed it, she slayed it. Also, Shalini, you know, people say that वो कपड़े repeat नहीं करते. What do you have to say to them?
Most of the saris which I've worn in the past 1 year, 80% of them actually old saris which have been remodeled.
Wow, that's lovely. Also, you know, which fashion trend do you think should go, like should fade away? You're so done with that. You know, which fashion trend are going?
I really don't think every trend really revives after some time, and there are a big bunch of talented people, very good fashionistas who've got every trend in vogue. So I really don't think any trend should go away.
I think for me it's the hair color, because when you put like artificial color, that really ruins your hair, and it just takes away from your personality. So I don't color my hair. This is my natural color. And I've been offered so many ads and things to color the hair, but I feel that is something very individualistic.
You know, which Bollywood celebrity's wardrobe do you want to steal? You know.
Everybody would want to steal hers.
I would want to steal Rekha ji's saris. Oh my God, the saris that she's been collecting, the traditional weaves. Not to wear them, but just to see them.
Also, we had a visual treat when we saw you in the Bads of Bollywood. Oh my God, again, you know, making the headlines and being at the spotlight. You know, we just want to know, how has the experience been?
The experience was wonderful because they are family friends of ours. Aryan have seen since he was a baby, and he wanted me to sing Mitwa. And I said, Shalini aunty already sang Mitwa in front of so many people.
Shalini auntie, why?
He's my son's age. They're both. So he wanted me to sing Mitwa, and I did sing that for him, but he didn't put it. And then he said, Auntie, say something, say something, say something. He kept probing me, and then we shot a lot. And then finally I kept saying film,
Yeah.
So then he said, no, it's not that. So I said, anyway, who cares? It's Shalini first and then film first later. So,
So, any one message you have for the fashion enthusiasts?
My message is, be yourself. Don't follow the trends, and create your own trends. And just be original. Just be yourself.
for me, I just feel that when I see that it's such a hard life, and people don't realize that, especially being in front of the camera, that I have been in front of the camera now for 2 years. It's a really tough life, and I want everyone else to be easy on the people who are in front of the camera.
Thank you so much, lovely ladies. I hope you have a great time.